How to check if your Samsung TV is a smart TV. Method number 1. Check the remote control. Look for a home or smart hub button on your Samsung remotes. Smart TVs often have these buttons to access the main menu or app interface. Method number 2. Check the settings menu. Turn on your TV and press the menu or home button on your remote. Go to settings and look for options like network or Wi-Fi. If these options are available, your TV likely has smart capabilities. Method number 3. Look for pre-installed apps. Press the home or smart hub button on your remote to open the main menu. If you see options for streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, or a web browser, then your Samsung TV is a smart TV. Method number 4. Check the model number. Look for the model number on the back of your TV or in the settings menu under support about this TV. You can look up the model number online on Samsung's website to confirm if it's a smart TV model. Method number 5. Check the user manual or packaging. If you still have the original user manual or packaging, it should indicate if the TV is a smart TV and list features like apps, Wi-Fi, and streaming capabilities.